By the way, you can make this recipe fully poached if you prefer a softer, gentler texture. Just cook the salmon right in the sauce from the start to finish. You may have to add some more liquid. It works, but this seared version gives you more flavor, better color, and a cleaner, richer glaze. That's why I make it this way. If you don't have broccolini, no problem. Regular broccoli works just as well, and asparagus is also a great match for this dish. That's a Christmas-worthy salmon that's still weeknight easy, one pan, bright flavor, and hardly any cleanup. If this helps you cook smarter, please like and subscribe and check out the other one pan videos on your screen. Let's meet back here next week for another one pan dish for New Year's Eve. It's my favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.